This exclusive design leather dog collar is a must-have for those owners who want their dogs to wear fashionable things which are at the same time strong, durable and comfortable. Thanks to painted flames, the collar looks very stylish. The red flames outline the natural strength and stamina of your dog. The painting also stands for warm heart and kind soul of your canine. The collar is hand-painted with pet-friendly water-resistant paint. You can be sure that gorgeous ornament will not fade or come off with time. The accessory is made of full-grain leather which is long-wearing and soft. It will not rub your pet's skin, therefore it is perfect for everyday walking. The item is tear-proof and will perfectly hold its shape for a long while. The painted collar is equipped with a strong and reliable steel buckle. Due to nickel plating, the hardware is rust-proof. The D-ring allows you to easily attach the leash. The collar is also equipped with an additional ring which holds the end of the leather strap at place. Thanks to fabulous design and outstanding craftsmanship, the collar may quickly become your favorite item for handling your pet.